As we take a look currently, we have a severe thunderstorm watch in place for much of the viewing area right now until 4 a.m. And we also have a flood watch until around 1 p.m. tomorrow afternoon for much of the northeastern portions of our viewing area. So that's something we need to watch out for. Currently from our Prairie Bank Casino and Resort, starting to see those storms pop up out in the western part of our viewing area. And from our Skycam in Emporia, sponsored by Washburn University, not seeing a lot of activity right now out there. Current temperatures are in the 60s, so very warm for this time of night right now. Current wind gusts are between around 5 and around 15 miles per hour coming from the southeast. We will stay in the 60s overall throughout the next 24 hours, and overall our wind gust trend will start to change as we go into tomorrow morning after that front passes. We do have that first alert weather day in place for our second round of storms, which will last through tomorrow morning, and we could see all hazards with that. We have a 3 out of 5 enhanced risk through at least 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. And that's for all of northeastern Kansas. That entails the possibility of seeing 60 to 75 mile per hour winds, so you'll want to secure all loose objects outdoors. Hail up to tennis ball size, so you'll want to make sure that car's in that garage or carport or covered so it doesn't get hit by that hail. And maybe even a few tornadoes, mainly along and south of I-70 with that severe thunderstorm watch in place. Round 2 timing starts at 10 to 11 in Concordia Clay Center, from 11 to 1 around Manhattan to around Lawrence and Topeka, and then Kansas City 12 to 2 p.m. As we track that out, we will see some discrete supercells in clusters as we start going into the overnight hours, moving from western Kansas into northeastern Kansas, and that will continue as we go throughout this morning, just really exploding with activity throughout our area. Maybe some discrete supercells producing some big tornadoes south of our viewing area, though, in southeast Kansas. This continues, and then a line will form as we go into tomorrow morning, dumping a lot of rain on the area in a very quick amount of time from Council Grove up to Kansas City. And so that's something we need to watch out for. Our flood threat will really start to increase by then, and then we'll be really left with clear skies all day. And as you can see, we could get anywhere between around 1 to 4 inches of rain on average throughout the area. Tonight's forecast, I am forecasting it to obviously be stormy in the 50s and 60s with those storms. Tomorrow we will see storms in the morning hours in the 60s and 70s. And your winners for the First Alert Umbrella giveaway are Kim Smith from Oskaloosa and Kent Dean from Topeka. Scan the QR code here or visit our website with the link. And we do have that First Alert weather day that lasts through the morning storms. Then it looks nice. May have a few rain chances, but nothing severe. Going to be warm to start May on Friday.